I'm in process of changing a starter on a 94 Ford Aerostar van. First thing you do, you disconnect the battery, the negative terminal, or the positive. I don't think it matters too much. Alright. The starter is located up under the driver's side of the van. And as you see, it's right there between these pipes. So the only issue you might have is getting it out of there after you get it loose. Which I seen another video where they dropped this front shaft. It's 4 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3 on the other side, 4 on the other side. 4 bolts. Disconnect the wires and 2 13mm. So I'm gonna drop the shaft out the way and I'll be right back. Now I'm in process of moving the 2 bolts out of here. I took the 4 bolts out of there. Probably gotta give it a tap to break it loose. I'm gonna take out the bottom bolt and that top bolt right there. I'll undo the wires before I move it down, and I'll be back once I get that done. And I'm working on getting these bolts out of here.